I feel alone on the dark side. Get a cup, drink it up till I get right. I don't feel alive till it's midnight. Oh, they wanna see me go, so it's my.
It's on and motherfucking popping. Wait, you gotta put them in an angle. You gotta put them in an angle.
What's that? I'm just trying to fill 100. No. You gonna be slow.
We on. It's on and popping.
You're gonna be looking so sack of balls.
Look at this nut sack. Ain't that precious?
Look.
Look at this. Look at these saggy titties. White butts matter.
Start writing someone here.
Oh my god, white is gonna be so fucking.
You get the ball set?
What the? Oh, my booty's better. I'll stay close with my girl.
I love working out, fitness, dick in my mouth.
Oh my god, girl.
That's it, we're done. That's one.
100 Post-its. A white truck. Again.
100 reasons why you suck.
Oh my god. Hilarious, girl. You gonna be mad. Yo, he's gonna be so mad. Yo.
Put your face down.
Huh?
You think you funny?
What? What's that about?
You did this?
No?
What the fuck you did?
What is that even?
Little shrimp cock.
Shrimp cock. Who would say such a... Why would somebody... Are those mushrooms in your car? Why would somebody say that? That's ridiculous. That's fucked up. You should file a report. Yeah, nah. You should file a report, Gringo. You should file a report. What happened? Who you think did that? Did you piss somebody off?
Yeah, it's really in the air right, so it wasn't a guy. It was you.
Me? I don't. Why would she do that? She's your friend. Why would she do that? How could I? Why would I ever do that? Especially saying those vulgar things.
It's maybe curious. White butts matter. I'm a bitch boy.
Well, what?
Yeah, so just one there.
Hold on, I lost you. You get heavy periods.
I share girls. I share my girl. That's it. I wear thongs. That's not something nobody wants to say.
What else does it say?
They have to say little shit.
That's
Definitely, yeah.
never. I would never do such a thing. I'm crying because I'm so evil. That's a...
How could I leave the gate open, yo?
What gate?
I should have fucking locked it.
What you talking about?
Did you do the other side?
What are you talking about? Saying vulgar things like that. I think that you should file a police report.
Is that why you asked me if I was at the shop?
What? What?
Yeah. The best thing you would have did was you would have waited and got footage.
What? What?
That's how you do that.
Huh?
To get my reaction.
No. Reaction of what? Heavy periods is not something. That's nothing to play with. Heavy periods.
Oh, she recorded? She on the camera?
No.
You think that's fucking funny? I know where Liz lives. Charlie lives. Oh, man.
I just have tears as something so sad. We're in disbelief. Gosh darn it. How could someone do that to somebody so kind? Somebody so white?
Chive?
Chafed. It's chafed. It's probably. I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it might be chafing. But what?
You said it right. I love big cocks and then I cannot.
Wait, what was the other one you said? You like working out? You said. What You like working out?
Because I can't just leave this shit.
What does the one say? What you just say? You like working out?
So I love working out. I don't know.
What does it say?
I love working out. Fit this cock in my mouth.
Whoever said it's a little clever bitch, I know that's for sure.
Alright, let me see.
I'm crying.
Oh shit, dicks are delicious. Dicks are delicious. I love working out, fit this dick in my mouth. I love big cocks and I cannot lie. That's the same person. That's the same handwriting.
What other kinds of things did they say?
It was
That's-
a sticky note.
And what do they say? That is such an evil thing.
Yo, easy, I'm tuned in, right? And I stopped reading. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
You sure it's not crickets? You know
So I
what?
got people that like to play jokes. It's all right.